Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick little video about dyeing my hair. I know I have a couple other videos on my channel about dyeing my hair, which you can definitely check out in the cards above. And before we get too far into this video, go ahead and give this channel a subscribe and give it a thumbs up on the video. And you can follow me on my other social medias at Colie Cheops. And I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So today I just wanted to give you guys an update, I guess, as to what I've done with my hair. Like I said, I've done a bunch of other hair videos where I've done my hair pink, and I don't think I did a video on the green hair, but I did have green hair, and if you check any of my other more recent videos, you can see how atrocious it looked because I did bleach it. I guess I did a video on that too. So like I said, check the cards. But so today, basically, new hair. It's awesome. So my hair is actually a very dark color in general, like the top of my head. I never dye my roots because that's way too much effort to try and actually dye your entire head. I've literally tried that once in my whole life and my hair was to here, so it felt more manageable. This, to try and dye my whole hair a different color, I would never. I couldn't imagine how long this would take. So I looked back at the footage of how long it literally took for me to just do this portion of my hair somewhat haphazardly, and I really just did the bottoms the most intense, and I kind of just did the tops kind of like this. I mean, you'll see in the video, but just the haphazard nature in which I applied it this time still took 40 minutes to get it on my head. Well, I guess that included the mixing and stuff. So legitimately, I think the whole putting it on my head thing took at least 20 to 30 minutes, which is crazy because that's how long they say to leave it on your head, which I never follow the directions for. I always leave it on for at least twice as long. So I guess I've kind of given away the ending as to how it looks. It looks like this now. This color from Garnier, and I used the Garnier Nutrisse this time because I wanted it to kind of be like a fall color and to kind of match my hair. So like I said, I don't have to dye my entire head, which I think it actually does match pretty good. It does have a slightly different tone where it's a little bit redder, which is what I wanted. So you can kind of see, especially in the sunlight, where you can see the really dark, I guess more ashy, not really ashy, but darker brown color that has no red in it. You can see that mixed with this color really just in the light, which I kind of done a better job of just trying to make it more highlighty, but honestly, I'm terrible with hair, so I did the best I could. Well, this was the box I used. I picked up 3 boxes, but they didn't have the same color in this, so I also picked up this color, which looks almost identical to me, but I didn't actually use this one. I ended up just using both since I decided not to do my entire head. So I did use 2 full boxes, and you can hear the rattling around in there of the actual products and stuff that I had in there. Yeah, so I guess let's just go to the portion of the video and show you the process of dyeing my hair, I guess. See you soon, maybe. It took forever. show you guys how this box works, how easy it was, you know, if I liked it, if I thought it was better than other hair dyes, because I think my other videos I've used a different hair dye every single time. I will say I think this one was the smelliest of all of them that I've used, like in a bad way. Overtone definitely has a very scenty scent as well, but it's more in a minty scent, whereas this is just like, it smells bad. Highly recommend. Always on a hard floor so it doesn't stain your carpet or anything. But it did come out really easy, which I will show you. I didn't actually show the end portion, but it does actually come out really easy because I did splatter it everywhere. But it really did come out very easily. Like, I just wiped it off, and then any parts that kind of still had a stain on it, I just took nail polish remover, rubbed it over, and everything just came off. I was gonna say lickety split, but that sounds really stupid. Everything just came off really easily. So this one I did not have like to worry about staining my shower either with the overtone in that color. I was like very anxious. I know it would come out eventually, but like, because I guess maybe that was a pink color and this was a brown color, I was a little less concerned. Overall, I highly do like this hair dye. I have used this before many years ago. And it's really nice. It actually did create, I think, a really pretty color. I don't know if it's exactly like the box. It's pretty close, but I would say it actually came out maybe a little bit more red. But then again, that could be because also it had been bleached at the bottom. But even at the top where there was no bleach, I don't know if you guys could even see this at all. But it did come out, I think, a little bit more red than the box would lead me to believe. But it does say chocolate caramel, which is why I picked it. I did want it to be more red. I don't know if that means anything to you or not, but it does come out a little bit more red than I think it does appear on the side of the box. Since it comes with fruit oil, which I think used to smell a lot better than it did this time. Like this time it was like super pungent, but not in a good way. So I don't know if that's different or not. But like I said, I did this, I've used this kind of box gajillions of years ago. I guess that's it really. I mean, the conditioner I absolutely love in this box. Like, it is probably the best hair dye conditioner I've ever used. So I really actually do think that it's almost worth it just to buy it for the conditioner, because your hair feels so nice afterwards. And I guess that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm really happy with the color. I think it came out really nice. Like, it covered everything. Like, I actually did a pretty good job this time of making sure I got every piece. Sometimes I'm kind of lackadaisical about that and I don't get everything. So I guess that's it. I mean, I actually really like this kind of hair dye. I've never had an issue with it other than the very intense smell. Like, seriously, with the smell, it's like really, really bad. I guess that's it for today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this channel a subscribe. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check me out on my other social medias at Colie Cheops. And I do post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I have all my links in the description box of my other social medias as well as my website. So it's just easy clicking. And I guess that's it. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.